Hello viewers, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Today I have brought an interesting topic for you. Hope you will find it very interesting and very useful. And that is tag questions. Do you know this thing? That some of the time people give their statement and they ask question in such a way that they reply themselves. For example, if I find the weather is so pleasant, I will ask in such a way that it will look question. For example, if I will say, the weather is so pleasant, isn't it? Isn't it? It means I am asking someone to be agree on my statement. And I want him to say the same, yes, it is. Basically, tag question means that you want someone to be agree on your statement. Let me give you some more examples so that your concept would be cleared. If I say, it's too hot today, isn't it? So your friend will say, yes, it is. Isn't it? When you are giving positive statement and then you are asking little question, isn't it? That is called tag. And then you mark question mark. Isn't it? It means that you want someone to be agree with you on your statement and you want him to say the same, yes, it is hot. Now let me give you some more examples so that you can be very much familiar using tag question. She's so pretty. Isn't she? Yes, she is. In such a way, you can use tag question. He really works hard. If you're talking about someone and you think that he really works hard. So as I'm using works hard, it means the first form of verb. So I will use tag question, doesn't he? He really works hard, doesn't he? So the person who is sitting next to you should say, yes, he does. But it's not necessary. Some of the time your friends or the listener can go against and he can say, no, he doesn't. But the tag question means, what is the use of a tag question? Always remember that tag question means that you are giving a statement and asking a question as well, that you want someone to be agree with you on your statement. Remember always, there is always a tag of everything except am. Such as, if I say, I'm so genius, that I cannot say amn't I. I will not say amn't I because that is wrong way of using tag questions. You will say, I am very genius, aren't I? Aren't I you will use instead of amn't I. Am not I? So remember always, only in this statement you have to use aren't I. Otherwise in all statement you will use whatever is being used in the sentence. For example, if first form of verb is used there, so you will say doesn't or don't over there. For example, I teach English, don't I? If I use am with the negative statement such as, if I say, I'm not a little girl, am I? So here I can use tag question, am I? But remember, there is no tag of am not I. In place of am not I, you will say aren't I. I am your French teacher, aren't I? I am not your French teacher, am I? In this way you can ask question. You are so genius, aren't you? So remember, if the statement is positive, tag will be negative. And if the statement is negative, tag will be positive. How? You can say, she does not speak English well, does she? I can also say that, you don't believe me, do you? It means you are using negative statement with positive tag question, positive sentence with negative tag questions. I can use the same tag question in past tense also. For example, I really worked hard, didn't I? And you can also use tag question in future tense. How you can say, I will go to seaside. I will go to seaside, won't I? Similarly, if I will use negative statement in future tense, she won't accept your proposal, will she? So, please practice all these tag questions, and here are some statements and you answer me in the comment section. Take care. Bye-bye.